Okay, 12 and 13 are relatively similar, so I'll do 12 and 13 together. Here's 12. When I roll 2 fair dice, there's my sample space. Here's 13. When I select a card from a 52 card deck, here's my sample space so you can see it. Okay, so number 12. Find the probability that the sum is 10 or at most 6 when I roll 2 fair dice. Here's my sample space. 36 outcomes. That's my denominator. 36 outcomes in the sample space. So now let's examine and let's find the outcomes where the sum is 10 or the sum is at most 6. So let's find the sum of 10. Let's see. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 4 plus 6 is 10. There's a sum of 10. These 3 outcomes have a sum of 10. So I've got that. Or at most 6. So I'm adding on. This is or. Or means add it on and remove the overlap. So let's do at most 6. That means the most I can have is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. No. 5 plus 1 is 6. So that's in there. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. And everything less than that. Because at most 6 means 6 or less. All of these are less than 6. All of these. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3. The sums. You can see these two outcomes, these two events rather, do not overlap. A sum of 10 or a sum of at most 6, those two events do not overlap. They do not. They are mutually exclusive. They have no intersection. So I don't have to worry about double counting anything. So here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 outcomes where the sum is 10 or at most 6. 18 out of 36, which is exactly 1/2 of my outcomes. That's number 12. 18 of these outcomes. 10 or at most 6. 13, probability of a black 10, that you select a black 10 or black 2. Now let's find the black 10s. Black cards. Here's a black 10 here. Here's another black 10. Out of my 52 outcomes, I've got 2 black 10s here. Or black 2s. Here's black 2. There's 2 black 2s right here. These don't overlap. There's no intersection. So I can just count these. 1, 2, 3, 4 outcomes. 4 cards out of these 52 cards are black 10s or black 2s. This can simplify to 1 out of 13. There we go. These are probabilities of events that are mutually exclusive. No intersection at all. They don't overlap. They don't meet. They don't happen at the same time.